This is let's go to question 896, monotonic array. This is easy question. Let's get into it. An array is monotonic if it is either monotone increasing or monotone decreasing. An array A is monotone increasing if for all A less equal J, AI less equal AJ. An array A is monotone decreasing if for all A less equal J, AI greater equal AJ. Return true if and only if given array A is monotone. Let's check with example 1. Okay, 2 is bigger than 1, increasing, and then this 2 to equal is okay, and then 3 is greater than 2, so this one return true. Okay, 5 is smaller than 6, so decreasing. 4 is the smaller than 5, decreasing. 4 equal is okay, true. Example 3. 3 is the bigger than 1, so increasing. 2 is the smaller than 3, decreasing, so it's false. How can do? I think the proper solution is best approach, because best approach is it take linear time. So while scan all array and then find out the first or second or third item is increasing or decreasing. If that one is decreasing, and then from next step we will just find out this one is increasing or not. If it already decided increasing but right side value is decreasing, we need to return first. Alright, let's implement it. First I gonna make a flag naming increasing, and then none, because first is we don't know this array is increasing or not. So no means that we don't know. So the second region is if first item of array is 3 and the second item of array also 3. If this is equal, and then we must not decide increasing yet. Okay, then I will store previous is I store first item of array, and let's trace I is range. We already passed A0, so from A1 to length and A, and if increasing is true, if AI is smaller than previous, we must return first, and as increasing is first, same way as above. If previous AI, if AI is smaller than bigger than previous, return first, and then as if this step increasing must be known, right? Otherwise it will execute true or false. Does it make sense? Then now we need to decide this array is increased or decreased. So if this one is increased, we need to put increasing flag true, and then otherwise do I need to use else? No. If we use else, in this case 3 3 3 3 4, if we are here and else is increased first, but this time is the increase is not first, right? So we needed to, if previous is same as current item, we need to let it be. Do not change the increasing value. I is previous is first, and then when it's same, let it be. Okay. Previous is updated with current value, and then return true. If there are no fault, return true. Okay, looks good. Okay, good. In this case, time complexity is there are one iteration, linear time, with constant space because there are no extra data structure. Thank you.